Dear learners, after going through the definition of research article, importance, and then planning aspects, we are moving ahead to the planning of authors' names. It is utmost essential that you plan at this time only who are going to be the authors. Authorship denotes an intellectual contribution to the work, and that an author should be able to explain and defend the work. So at this stage itself, it's better to decide on the authorship. The definition of who should be an author and in what order the list should be provided varies with the field, the culture, or even the research group. Aspects like order of authors should be clearly agreed upon at the outset of a research work. Dear learners, we all know that in academic and research, for giving the weightage, first author and corresponding author get more weightage. So decide who are going to be the first author and the corresponding authors, because they are going to have the more weightage as compared to the other co-authors. In general aspect, first author is the one who has executed that study. In principle, he or she should be that research scholar. For corresponding author, supervisors, mentors may be there and act as corresponding author. So, however, it depends on the cultural preferences maybe, or the choice of the research group. Now let us discuss the planning, the outline. It is very utmost important aspect. You have to define the shape of your article here. Plan the outline of your article as per the scope and type of your article. See the inputs you have and plan the outline. What are these inputs? Body of knowledge, that literature review, rationale of your work, your hypothesis, your aim and objectives, methods and results. So in outline, you have to prepare a systematic blend of these things and shape them up into the form of an article. So you have to provide the heads in which you are going to present your article. So outline will define how your work will flow, how your writing will flow with the article, with the various segments of the article. Now let us move to the another aspect, or the second step of the research article writing is the targeting a journal. You must have to target a suitable journal. We have little bit discussed in review paper and some initial modules, but we will elaborate it here. Now let us see what are those factors on the basis of which we select or we target the journal for our research article. The very first factor is match your topic with scope of journal. Then refer databases, reputation, impact factor or other journal metrics, time, availability, that too online or offline, indexing, format, and lastly the APC, article processing charges. So let us take the very first aspect, match your topic with scope of journal. Failing to match your topic with the scope of journal leads to rejection at the editorial level only, even before sending it to peer review. Editor will discard your manuscript and will return your manuscript at this stage only if it is not matching. So what you have to do? You have to observe articles in latest issue of journal, theme of issue or conference, additional information required. You will observe them, and on the basis of that you will plan. Then, next aspect, what you can do, you can target journal by referring the databases. If you remember, we discussed in Web of Science and EndNote, there is the provision that you can add the title or abstract or keywords of your articles, and then the database will give you the name of the journals which may be suitable for you for targeting your manuscript. Along with these, you can also go to the Springer Author Academy. As you can see, in Springer Author Academy, if you will add your title, your abstract, you will come to know the list of journals to which you can target your manuscript. So please go through the Springer Author Academy. It's free. Now next aspect is reputation of the journal, that is impact factor or other journal metrics like impact, speed and reach. The reputation of a journal can be assessed by several ways we have studied. Your own perception along with the opinion of your seniors, your mentors, your supervisors by their experience, type, quality of recent articles published in the journal, their importance, and the presence of field experts in members of the editorial board, the acceptance rate of the journal, and the journal's impact factor and other journal metrics. These may be the criteria for judging the reputation of a journal. You may have any one or more of the aspect, and on the basis of these, you can target a journal. An author must overview these things before deciding to submit a paper to a particular journal. Now, after reputation, check the time. Check how much time the journal takes for the peer review process. This is very important. With respect to the journal metrics, the speed aspect is very important here. This is very important to check the time taken by a journal in review process. Target a journal which takes less time for the same. You cannot wait for years if you are planning article with your PhD thesis submission. In general, the minimum time is 2 to 3 months taken by a journal's review process. Some journals also provide the fast track processing of article. If you can pay for fast track processing of your article, okay, go ahead. Otherwise, you see or go for selecting another journal. We will be continuing our discussion on targeting journal for your manuscript in the next section.